Russell, don't get the narrative twisted. This match has nothing to do with the fact our backgrounds are different. You're an effeminate, big city boy. I'm a hardened, angry, small town living man. I don't give a good goddamn about our backgrounds. What I give a goddamn about is on June 15th, my record sitting in MWE is currently 0-2. That doesn't sit well with me. It angers me. It pisses me off. Because I know I'm better than this. And Russell, it's nothing personal, but I have to prove a point, and I have to take this on you. The wrecker Josh Price can't leave any questions. No second guesses. No people saying that was a fluke, you slipped on a banana peel. There will be no excuses. You will be dominated, decimated. You will be wrecked. You will be hurt. Just to prove a point, Russell. To prove a point. I am Josh Price. I am the wrecker. I say what I am, and I am what I say, Russell. And on June 15th, the wrecker Josh Price, oh, I won't hurt you. I must wreck you.